Hey folks, Charles75N here, and I've been really digging on this 70s Univox, so I figured why not share some sound samples with you. Alright, we're going to go ahead, we're going to start up on our neck pickup, and let's hear what this thing sounds like. Let's try it now on the middle. And my favorite on this guitar, which is unusual because usually I love the neck pickups, but is the bridge pickup on this one. Or if you prefer, well, there you have it. Just a little touch of Univox 7 to hold you over on your Friday evening. As always, enjoy your guitar journey, and thank you for joining mine.